What if I told you Samsung is finally listening? After years of repeating the same Ultra formula, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might actually fix the things that have been driving users crazy every single day. Yes, faster charging that doesn't waste your time, night photos that don't look like trash, and no more awkward fumbling at payment terminals. If these leaks are even close to real, this could be the Ultra phone we've been begging Samsung to make. Let's dive in because you really don't want to miss this. For the longest time, Samsung's Ultra phones have felt like déjà vu, tiny tweaks, small spec bumps, and nothing that truly changes the daily experience. But heading into 2026, leaks are pointing toward real upgrades, not just bigger numbers on a spec sheet. Samsung appears to be targeting the everyday frustrations that matter most. First up, charging. This has been Samsung's most roasted weakness for years. According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will still pack a 5,000 mAh battery, but with a brand new 60W charging system. The big headline? The phone can reportedly reach 75 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's a massive improvement over Samsung's painfully slow charging speeds. Imagine plugging in during lunch or a short break and being set for the rest of the day. It may not match OnePlus level insanity, but for Samsung fans, this is the progress we've been waiting for, and it's a huge win. Now let's talk cameras because this is where things get really interesting. The S26 Ultra is expected to keep the 200MP main sensor, but with a major change, a wider f/1.4 aperture. In simple terms, that means around 50% more light intake. The result? Brighter night photos, less noise, cleaner shadows, and sharper details. No more smeared or blurry night shots that make you regret pulling out your phone. On top of that, Samsung is rumored to be upgrading the 3x telephoto camera, delivering better portraits and zoom that actually look premium, especially in low light. Design-wise, leaks suggest the S26 Ultra will be thinner and lighter despite its massive size. That means better one-handed use, improved comfort, and less pocket bulk. It may sound small, but in daily use, it's a big quality-of-life upgrade. And here's the sneakiest upgrade of all, dual NFC antennas, one at the top and one at the bottom. If you've ever waved your Galaxy phone around like an idiot at a payment terminal, those days may finally be over. Faster, more reliable Samsung Wallet taps from either end of the phone could make everyday payments smooth and stress-free. With launch roughly 6 months away, this is the first time in years the next Ultra actually feels exciting. If Samsung nails this, the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't just be another yearly refresh, it could remind everyone why Ultra used to mean something special. So what do you think? Is this enough to make you upgrade? Drop your thoughts below.